Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. What we are looking here on a Saturday in the afternoon is the US dollar Canadian dollar hourly chart. I would say that the whole move here to the downside, this whole move to the downside is actually completed and is actually a corrective wave. What I'm trying to say is that the move started, take a look here, this is a 1 hour chart. I would say that an impulsive move started here, ended here, and the move to the downside, from my point of view, it is a zigzag or a double combination. I would go for, let's look also on the left side here. See, this is the impulsive move from that moment of time, from the highs, and then coming here. I would say it is a corrective wave, and being a corrective wave, it should be treated as such. Normally, this should be interpreted as being an A, like this, an A and a B, and a C wave to the downside in the form of a flat. So this to be the first corrective wave. Let me take a polyline from here. So this to be A, and then a B wave, and then a C wave, all the way to the downside, like this, A, B, C. Now this A, B, C here, as you can see, looks like an elongated flat because the time elements are almost the same, and elongated flats are part of a triangle, or the entire leg of a triangle, or just part of a leg of a triangle. So I would say that this is a classical ABC. Let's write on the screen. A, like this, and the B wave to the upside. And the C wave to the downside. So A, B, C. Of course, the X wave. X wave could be this one here, or to end with a triangle here, most likely with a triangle in the form of A, B, C, D, E, so the X wave to end here. And this would be a flat, a connecting X wave or an intervening X wave. And what do you know? Another A and the B. And the C. And this should be treated, or C most likely here, this should be treated or interpreted as flat, X wave, zigzag, double combination is being called. Such double combination usually ends a corrective structure, a complex corrective wave in our case. And if you try to look at the targets to the upside, I would say that highs are going to come as well, as from my point of view, this only ended at an X wave or a corrective wave of a bigger degree, and now we should see a 5-way structure to the upside that should take previous highs. Now for the US dollar Canadian dollar to take previous highs, it means that the Canadian dollar actually to suffer some consequences. And I would say that what is happening in China and the housing problems in Canada are going to be the catalyst for such a move. I wouldn't say that the move is going to be concentrated on the whole market, but the US dollar Canadian dollar just doesn't look good in terms of fundamentals. In terms of technicals, maybe market will form here some kind of an inverse head and shoulder, and if you put it like this and then you project this one to the upside like this, so we expect on Monday, for example, if the markets are not moving and so on and so forth, look at this at the potential inverse head and shoulder. And I would buy call options first of all on Monday, but then I will try to buy call options every time price is coming into this territory in the lower half of this channel. Every time it's coming here, with the expiration date being, of course, end of week expiration date. As this being a 1 hour chart, if this is forming a head and shoulder, an inverse head and shoulder, it should take some time. If it's not forming an inverse head and shoulder, it will just pop higher. Now, normally the expiration date this being a 1 hour chart should be a bit smaller, but I'm looking for bigger values to come, and I would like for this option the expiration date to be in the money, and that means we should buy call options by Friday, or with the expiration date being next Friday. So let's write on the screen that we are looking to buy call options with end of week expiration date by the time markets are opening on Monday. Thank you for being here, and keep in mind that all these analyses and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lionite. So make sure you go and check lionite.com as well. Thank you, and bye-bye.